Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today we are discuss how to Google Ads campaign setup properly. Already you can see my dashboard. This is old result. This is my old Ads campaign result. Website traffic. Right now I am starting a new campaign, lead generation. So I will show how to set up this sheet. I did conversion tracking first. You can see my conversion tracking action name, and this is my primary goal, and this is to source in website and status inactive. So you can see it is right now active, and this is my campaign goal. If you want, you can see my keyword. Already all keyword is fresh mess. I selected, and this is properly research. Then I will selected this keyword. If you want, you can see my goal and all of both. So just waiting. This is network issue, that's why something late. So this is my campaign name and using campaign goal. This is my conversion tracking goal. This is then this is right now enable and Google search network is not selected because my client budget is low. That's why that's why it, and language is English, and my bidding is maximum conversion. So that's it. You can see my marketing objective is leads, and bidding is maximum conversion, and this is right now starting. So and Facebook conversion API. You can see my YouTube channel. I'm expert in Facebook ads, Google PPC ads, conversion tracking, conversion API, web analytics, GA4 GTM tracking expert, e-commerce tracking expert, and any. If you need help, I will help you, no problem. If you need any service, I'll provide you. So don't worry. If you want, you can contact me by Facebook or three links is show. Facebook, my this is my personal Facebook ID, this is my page, and this is my website, portfolio website. And if you want, you can directly reach out my WhatsApp. That's it. Thank you so much. See you another video. Thank you. Take care till then. Take care.